Tucked away on the sandy edge of Jolly Hall Bay in Georgetown, Exuma, sits a laid-back little Bahamian retreat called Hideaways Exuma. It is the kind of place that trades chandeliers and marble lobbies for palm trees, gentle surf, and that easygoing island rhythm that seems to slow your pulse the moment you arrive. This three-star property leans hard into the villa lifestyle, offering guests a chance to feel less like tourists and more like temporary locals with their own front deck facing the sea, with overall scores hovering around 8.4 on Booking, 4.0 on TripAdvisor, and 4.2 on Expedia. It clearly hits the sweet spot for travelers who want personality over polish. This review will take a close look at what makes it tick, from the villas to the beach, the food, the activities, and everything in between. The accommodations at Hideaways Exuma are built around a simple but appealing idea, which is that everyone deserves a private space with a proper kitchen and a slice of that Bahamian view. Guests can choose between a one-bedroom beachfront villa or a two-bedroom beachfront villa, both of which put the ocean pretty much at the doorstep. The one-bedroom option sleeps up to 4 thanks to a king bed and a pull-out sofa in the living room, while the two-bedroom stretches to 6 with a mix of king and queen bedding. Each villa comes with a full kitchen stocked with a stove, refrigerator, microwave, coffee maker, cookware, and dishes, which is a huge win for families or longer stays. Air conditioning, ceiling fans, cable television, and Wi-Fi round out the basics, and every unit has its own private deck or patio where morning coffee tastes noticeably better. For travelers who do not need to be right on the sand, there are also one-bedroom and two-bedroom garden view villas that offer the same layouts and amenities at a friendlier position on the property. Solo travelers or couples might gravitate toward the studio hillside villa, a cozy setup for 2 with a queen or king bed, a kitchenette or small kitchen, and a private balcony or patio with partial sea views. That hillside spot is charming, though it is worth mentioning that a few reviewers on Booking and Expedia flagged the walk up the stairs as a workout in disguise. Smart tech is kept simple here rather than flashy, with cable television and Wi-Fi covering the essentials, though guests should know that connectivity has been described as a little spotty at times. Families will appreciate the room to spread out, the kitchens that keep meal costs down, and the general sense that these villas were designed for real living rather than just sleeping. When hunger strikes and the kitchen is not calling, guests can wander over to the on-site Splash Bar and Grill, which handles breakfast, lunch, and dinner every day. The menu focuses on Caribbean and international comfort food, so expect a friendly mix of burgers, fresh seafood, and traditional Bahamian dishes that lean into local flavor. It is not the sort of place trying to reinvent gastronomy, and honestly that is part of the appeal because vacation food should be tasty, generous, and served without fuss. Reviewers on TripAdvisor have called out the food as solid and the vibe as relaxed, which fits the overall island feel of the property. Exact opening hours can shift with the season, so guests are wise to ask at the front desk on arrival. The bar side of Splash serves as the social hub of the resort, where guests trade snorkeling tips over cold drinks and watch the sun sink into the harbor. Tropical cocktails, cold Bahamian beer, and easy conversation are the main attractions, and the friendly staff have received consistent praise across every review platform. Since the property is fairly compact, this one venue handles all of the on-site food and drink needs, so travelers who love hopping between multiple restaurants may want to venture into Georgetown for variety. On the plus side, that also means guests can walk from their villa to dinner in about a minute, which is exactly the kind of luxury that only vacation makes possible. A small heads-up from past reviews is that the bar can get lively at night, so light sleepers in nearby villas may want earplugs on hand. Water is really the whole point of Hideaways Exuma, and the property makes sure guests have plenty of ways to enjoy it. There is a proper outdoor swimming pool for anyone who wants fresh water and a break from salt, along with loungers set up for serious lazing about with a book and a drink. The pool is not a sprawling resort-style affair, but it fits the intimate scale of the property, and guests rarely report it feeling crowded. What truly sells the place, though, is the private beach on Jolly Hall Bay, which offers soft sand, calm water, and those postcard-perfect turquoise shades the Exumas are famous for. Location scores of 9.1 on Booking make it clear that this beachfront setting is one of the strongest cards the property holds. Beyond simply floating or sunbathing, guests get access to kayaks and paddleboards for exploring the shoreline at their own pace. Snorkeling gear is also available, and the water around Elizabeth Harbor and nearby keys is packed with reefs, fish, and the kind of clear visibility that makes even beginners feel like nature documentary hosts. The private beach also acts as a launching pad for boat tour, which the property is happy to help arrange. Reviewers frequently mention how easy it is to just step out of a villa, walk across the sand, and be in the ocean within a minute, which is exactly the kind of simple luxury people fly across the world for. For travelers who define a perfect vacation as sand between the toes and the sound of waves at night, this stretch of coast delivers. While water dominates the activity list, there is more to do here than just splash around. The property acts as a comfortable base for a wide range of Exuma adventures, and the front desk is well-versed in helping guests book excursions to the famous swimming pigs, the legendary Thunderball Grotto, and various island-hopping boat trips. These outings are the kind of experiences that get talked about long after the tan fades, and reviewers on TripAdvisor and Expedia consistently praise the staff for going above and beyond to arrange them. Fitness-minded travelers can turn the beach itself into a gym with morning walks, swimming laps in the bay, or paddle boarding sessions that quietly torch calories. There is no formal tennis court or big gym on site, so guests looking for structured workouts may want to bring their own routines or plan trips to nearby facilities. Cultural and educational activities lean heavily on the surrounding area, and this is where Exuma really shines as a destination. Trips into Georgetown give travelers a taste of authentic Bahamian daily life, from the local Exuma markets to small shops and casual conversations with residents. Fishing charters are a popular add-on, and the region is known for bone fishing that draws anglers from around the world. Nature lovers can explore Stocking Island, which sits just across the harbor and offers hiking trails, hidden coves, and the famous Chat and Chill Beach Bar. Even guests who arrive planning to do nothing but nap in a hammock often end up filling their days with more adventures than they expected. The spa and wellness scene at Hideaways Exuma is not the traditional resort setup with treatment menus, saunas, and steam rooms. Instead, wellness here takes a more organic form, one that fits the barefoot spirit of the property. The rhythm of a day spent floating in warm water, walking on soft sand, and eating fresh seafood is arguably its own therapy program, and many guests describe returning home feeling genuinely restored. The gentle sound of the ocean at night doubles as a natural sleep aid, and the slower pace of Exuma Island life encourages the kind of unplugging that no scented candle can quite replicate. Guests who want more structured wellness experiences can bring their own routines with ease, since the private decks make ideal spots for morning yoga or meditation. Paddleboarding sessions across the calm bay serve as both fitness and mindfulness, and long swims in the salty ocean have a way of clearing mental clutter. For travelers who really want professional spa treatments, larger nearby resorts like the Sandals Emerald Bay area, roughly 18 kilometers away, offer more formal wellness facilities that can sometimes be accessed through day passes or arranged services. Still, most guests at Hideaways come here to escape structure entirely, so the lack of a formal spa is often a feature rather than a flaw. Since Hideaways Exuma welcomes families rather than restricting itself to adults, the property is a genuinely comfortable pick for parents traveling with children. There is no dedicated kids club with staff-led activities, structured programs, or themed craft hours, so families should not expect a resort-style children's program. What they will find instead is a safe, walkable, small-scale property where kids can roam between the pool, the beach, and their villa without parents losing sight of them for more than a minute. The shallow, calm waters of Jolly Hall Bay are ideal for young swimmers, and the sand is soft enough for sandcastle building marathons. Families have consistently mentioned how well the villas work for their needs, with full kitchens making it easy to handle picky eaters and early breakfasts. Kayaks and paddleboards are a hit with older kids who want a bit of adventure, and snorkeling in the clear water often becomes the highlight of a child's trip. Boat excursions to see the swimming pigs are practically a rite of passage for family travelers to Exuma, and Hideaways is well set up to arrange them. Parents who prefer highly programmed kids clubs may want to look elsewhere, but families who prefer freedom, nature, and togetherness will find plenty to love here. The location of Hideaways Exuma puts guests within easy reach of the best that this stretch of the Bahamas has to offer. Jolly Hall Beach is essentially at the doorstep, just 300 meters away, while the Palm Bay Beach and Elizabeth Harbor waterfront sit right at the property itself. The center of Georgetown is only about 2.5 kilometers away, giving guests easy access to local shops, restaurants, and the well-known Exuma markets for stocking up on groceries. Stocking Island and the famous Chat and Chill spot are just a short boat ride across the harbor, about 3.5 kilometers as the crow flies. Hooper's Bay Beach, another stunning stretch of sand, sits about 6 kilometers away for guests who want to explore additional shoreline. For travelers arriving by air, Exuma International Airport is about 11 kilometers from the property, which makes for a quick and painless transfer. Golf enthusiasts can head roughly 18 kilometers to the Sandals Emerald Bay Golf Course, which is one of the most scenic courses in the region and worth the trip. Cultural attractions in the area include colorful colonial architecture, small churches, and the friendly rhythm of local life that defines Georgetown. The overall proximity of Hideaways to major attractions is one of the reasons it scores so highly on location metrics across every review platform. Taking everything into account, Hideaways Exuma comes across as a warm, honest, and genuinely likable property that knows exactly what it is. The strengths are clear, including the outstanding beachfront location, the spacious and well-equipped villas, the friendly and attentive staff, and the easy access to iconic Exuma experiences. The average review score of 8.4 on Booking, backed by staff and location marks over 9, tells a consistent story of guests feeling well cared for in a beautiful setting. Value for money at 7.9 is solid without being outstanding, which reflects a property that charges fairly for what it offers without being a bargain basement deal. Weaker points are also worth being honest about since no property is perfect. Some units are described as feeling a bit dated, minor maintenance issues have surfaced in a handful of reviews, and Wi-Fi consistency has drawn a few complaints with a score of 7.4. Bar noise at night has been mentioned by a couple of guests, and the hillside villas involve a fair number of stairs. None of these issues are deal breakers, but travelers who need brand new construction, uninterrupted internet, or absolute silence should factor them into the decision. What really sets Hideaways Exuma apart is the villa-style, kitchen-equipped, home-away-from-home experience combined with a private beach and a location that is genuinely hard to beat. Few properties in this price range offer such direct access to a stunning private stretch of Bahamian coastline paired with the flexibility of a full kitchen and a private deck. The scale of the property is another selling point since it feels personal rather than corporate, and staff members tend to remember guests by name. The included kayaks, paddleboards, and snorkeling access add real value for active travelers who would otherwise spend a fortune renting equipment elsewhere. All of this comes wrapped in an authentic Bahamian atmosphere that big-brand resorts simply cannot replicate. Hideaways Exuma is not primarily built for large corporate events or major conferences, and travelers looking for grand ballrooms and dedicated meeting suites will want to look at larger resorts in the region. That said, the intimate scale of the property makes it a lovely spot for small gatherings, family reunions, or informal group getaways where the whole crew wants to be together on the beach. Booking multiple villas can accommodate a decent-sized group, and the on-site restaurant and bar work well for shared meals. Guest experience highlights consistently point to the human side of the property, with staff members repeatedly praised for going out of their way to make stays memorable. Reviewers on TripAdvisor mention staff arranging boat tour, sharing local tips, and generally treating guests like old friends rather than customers. The simple joy of stepping out of a villa straight onto warm sand is another moment that shows up again and again in reviews, along with descriptions of stunning sunrise views from beachfront decks. For travelers who value real hospitality, genuine location, and the sound of ocean waves outside the door, Hideaways Exuma delivers exactly the kind of unpretentious island escape that keeps guests coming back. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.